Okay, ladies, this is your one ovary girl talking to you. I just removed my left ovary like 3 weeks ago, right? So I totally understand what is hormonal imbalance. Okay, I've been suffering from hormonal imbalance. I don't even know. Okay, after the COVID, it's even worse. Okay, so I just want to tell you, those who have high estrogen, you may have all this risk, right? Like PCOS, endometriosis. I used to have endometriosis. It was so painful when I have my period, and heavy bleeding, mood swing, oh my god, mid-cycle ovulation pain and irregular menstrual cycles, and signs of low proestrogen. Okay, all right, so that's why. And so if you have low progesterone, this is also the same thing. Heavy bleeding, irritability, anxiety, menstrual, migraine, all that explains why. And brown spotting, low BBT in luteal phase, breast tenderness before period. Okay, that's normal. That one is when your period is coming, right? You definitely have this breast tenderness. Okay, and then if you have high cortisol, it means you get stressed easily, right? For us ladies, we get stressed easily, and then if we get stressed easily, we will have cravings for sugar, salt, and fat, right? And then that's why your body will hold the tummy fats on the belly fats longer. Okay, and you'll feel very tired and wired up, and hitting a slump at 3 to 4 p.m. You feel very tired, and then you feel like you want to eat something that will wake you up, right? And that's why you have all these cravings. And then you have anxiety, nervousness, high blood sugar, frequent illness, and digestive issues. That's why you have you may have gut health problem as well, right? And then you may have also low thyroid, constipation, irregular periods. Can you see, like, all these things, right, got to do with your hormonal imbalances? Okay, so I got a solution for you. So I want you all to go to my main page here, and then you can see this link tree. Just click onto it. Then you click onto this improve your gut health for more information of my supplements. Okay guys, just want to let you know, I have been battling, right, with belly fat, right, for umpteen years. If you have seen my picture, right, the before picture was 37 years old. Okay, so despite my strict diet, right, and rigorous exercise routine, right, my tummy refused to budge. Okay, so it was very frustrating, and I really suspect that it's due to hormonal imbalance, right? And also my cravings for sugar was very heavy back then. Okay, because I was so stressed. Okay, and then but I started to take the supplements, right, last 6 months ago. Okay, 6 months ago, and it really works wonder. My tummy is really better than before, although you guys know that I already cut sugar and everything, but I still eat rice, I still eat noodles. I mean, to me personally, I believe that for us Asians, we can digest rice, noodles very well, but we cannot digest white flour very well, because we are not born to digest white flour. Okay, and after the COVID, right, happened, I have foggy brains. Sometimes when I record videos, right, I'll be like, like if you see me on live stream, sometimes I'll be like, that kind of thing. So I do not like the after COVID symptom. It was quite long, and then I used to have phlegm as well after COVID, after I healed from COVID, right? Until I take these supplements, right, and it really works wonder for me. And then that's why I realized that everything works hand in hand. If you eat very good food, probiotics, and then this supplement that I'm taking, okay, it has all the superfood inside. It has whole food, green food, superfruits, probiotics, omega-3, 6, 7, 9, and vitamins and minerals, phytonutrients, amino acids, and digestive enzymes. Okay, and they also have this. And then you will see this page, right, and all the information is on here. Take your time to read it. And if you're interested in business opportunities for this, right, this is an international business, and you earn US dollar. Okay, just want to let you know. And it's affiliate, okay, and affiliate marketing. So that means you can go all over the world to find your business partner. Okay, and then you can explain to them the opportunities as well. But if you want me to explain, you can DM me directly and I explain to you. Okay, if you guys are about to close your shop, right, I'm talking to business owners here, okay, and your shops are lacking of customers, traffic, right, I can help you to improve, or maybe you do this side hustle with me. All right, and I'll tell you more on how to do storytelling. I'll teach you all these things if you join me, and even do social media as well. So I'm looking for business owners who are interested in this business. If you are in KL, if you're in Indonesia, if you're in Taiwan, 我们也是可以讲华语的哈。Okay, then if you're in China, if you're in Hong Kong, please DM me. We are looking for you, and we have a seminar next month, I think end of the month. Yeah, so please DM me for more information. All you have to do is DM me. You just go to my main page and then message me, right, and then I will DM you the information. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye.